Alright, hey guys, you're here with Netra, and today is a very exciting video because I'm going to be showing you guys my new paper crafting collection kit. I'm very proud of it. I love the designs and the papers, and I want to show it to you guys. And I asked a poll on Instagram what my followers wanted to see me make using the collection, and a scrapbook page won over a card, I think a traveler's journal page, and then a mini album. And then the mini album was right up next, so I'll probably still make a mini album. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the papers. They are 8.5 by 11, edge to edge, and let me show. There's 12 patterns, so here we go. Well, let's do it this way. This is my favorite design out of the entire paper pad. I even made it into a notebook. And this is free with purchase until I run out of them. So whenever you purchase a kit, you'll get one of these free. It's just a little notebook you can jot stuff down. It's one of my favorite designs. So I love this one. This one has a lot of like overlays and lots of texture. It's got a vintage flair to it, so love that. Another one. This is another one of my favorites. I love this one. It's very glowy. I love this one. I thought that you have to have some like simple patterns to like use behind the busier patterns, so I love a good polka dot. And this one is really pretty. I use this to make a card. Here's one of the cards I've made. Oh, time papers. Really, really pretty. And then here's another card. I use some of the die cuts. Okay, so love this pattern. I'm probably going to use this one in my scrapbook page. Here's another one of those simple patterns. It's a green kind of ombre effect with these kind of doodled splotchy hearts, but really cute. And then here's one that I love as well. It's a stripe, but it has the patterns of the papers throughout the stripes, and it's another one of those glowy type golden hued papers. Really pretty. And then there's this blue, which I know you're probably thinking blue, but this blue complements this pink and green really well, and the polka dot really well. So I figured let's throw it in there, and it complements this one really nicely. And it has, if you look really close, let's see if I can get, there's lots of texture, and there's this little cross pattern, which I love. And then here's one, another really textured. There's like cement cracks, and you can see that this pattern kind of faded throughout the crack, and it's just really pretty. So so these are the papers. And I didn't tell you guys the name. It's called Golden Hour. I love the name. I think it matches. It's, like I said, the patterns are very glowy and very deserty feeling. I love this pattern as well. And I felt like the Golden Hour was perfect match for it. So here's that. And then the die cuts are packed. There's 61 die cuts in this pack. There's words, Here are some journaling cards. Let me show you those first. This one you could just write on it. Now this is that nice polka dot pattern, but it has lines on the journaling card. Here's a Polaroid. It says this was epic, so you could probably fit a small picture. You have to size it down. This one, it just says today. And then here's this one, also bringing in that blue from the collection. And I'm not going to go through all of these die cuts because there's so many. If you go to my site, you'll see there's like a picture of them. And you can zoom in, but there's words, lots of those tropical leaves, flowers, some little ticket frames. The little Polaroid is my favorite. Some pattern splotches. Bigger Polaroid. There's some really big ones, see, in comparison to my hand. It's a cactus. This says beautiful day. I love this one. This is hello. It's got the pattern in it. There's also some little like faux tape, like tape pieces. Some tickets. Ampersands, some more of that like faux tape. There's a little ticket, a little stamp. This says good vibes only. Love that one. Just a good plethora of them. Another like pattern splotch. This says today. You can poke those out. Little tickets and butterflies. I love butterflies. The best day ever is what that one says. And some flags. So I guess I did go through all of them, but they're just so fun. And this is my personal stash here, so I'll be using these, this little pack today in my scrapbook page. Okay, so and that's the collection. So 12 pattern papers, 61 die cuts, 8 journal cards, and you get notebook. The price on the site includes shipping and packaging because I have to package it and bubble mailer and all that. It's all paid for in that price, so you don't have to worry about how much shipping is going to be. So let's get to the fun part, and that's the creating. So let me put these papers aside. Okay, so I have some of the papers that I've been using already, so I didn't want to like print a whole new set for this because it would be, oh, I forgot, there's stickers in that collection. Let me get the stickers too. There's alpha stickers. Yes. Here they are. So you get several of each, 3 of each letter. Make sure this T goes back in there. And there's this patterned alphabet, and then burgundy, this burnt orange burgundy color that matches the kit really well. This comes as well. I forgot about those. Package that back up. This is part of an order that's getting shipped today, so let me put that back over there. All right, so I'm gonna scrapbook this page. You guys know I can't craft and talk at the same time because I'll lose my train of thought. So I'm gonna speed this part up and I'll come back and show you guys what I did. I'm a little rusty with 12 by 12 layouts, but this will be a good practice. Right. think that's it. Like I said, I'm a little rusty, but I kept it pretty simple. I like my layouts to have a lot of like white space with nothing on it, so that's what I did here. Hope you enjoyed watching me put it together, and I'll be back on another video showing you guys how to I'd make a mini album with this kit, because I've got a lot of papers left over and lots of die cuts, so you really don't need that many elements. Just the papers are just really pretty. So if you'd like to purchase this kit, I'll have a link down below. Let me know what you think about the layout, and let me know your thoughts on the kit. Do you think it's cute? What's your favorite part about it? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ooh.